Hi everyone, today in this video I am show how to create a sequence table for Technomatics plant simulation. First we open the software, then create a new model in 3D. In here there is a no model frame, so I create a new frame. Then I change the view to plan view. Firstly I create a simple plant by using two station and one source and one drain. I connecting it to by conveyors. Here you can see station to station 1 and station 1 to drain. In next I run the simulation in this mode, and before I adjust the time interval to 8 seconds, then I can show the parts by slowly open the event controller and tick the real time tick, then play. Here you can see the simulation is working. Then I start to change the sequential mode. Then I insert the table is my information flow. There is no table, so I insert it by using library. Then insert the data table, then open it. Here we can edit the table by using this method, but there is a easy way to edit our object, our data table. So then open the source, then select the new selection to sequence, then table selection using this data table. Okay, apply. Okay, then we open the data table. Here you can see table is already edited. Then you have to enter your sequence order. For our part is this part. To use this we have to derive it. Duplicate it. Then we have to add the object y dot use objects dot part. That is our address of use object in part. The number is the how many items that we need to set the sequence order, and name is the type, which type. There's attributes. You have if you want to add the many attributes for our which types, then you can use the attributes table. Here I am not using attributes. In this one I use 10 objects by using type A, type B, type C and type D. I enter randomly type order. Okay, then we check the table. Okay, sequence and data table, 8 seconds. Okay, then we run the simulation. Here you can see the first part is type A. The second part is type B. And the source coming in part by using a data table sequence order. Here you can see type C, type D, you can use your required biliary order by using these data tables. And here you can see show summary report by end the simulation. There is a throughput type A 3 throughput, type B 3, type C 2 and type D 2. Here there's now I edit the number. There's to edit the use objects in our delivery table. 3, 2, 4 and 8. Then I reset the simulation and restart it. Here you can see the first two items are type A. Next one is type B. Next one is type C. I fast forward. Here you can see the final summary. Throughput is increased 7, 5, 6, 2 for type A and type B, type C and type D. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.